Hey everyone, I'm The Terrain with Server.pro, and Mojang has recently released Snapshot 20W51A for Minecraft Java Edition. This snapshot includes a brand new mob, which the community has been looking forward to ever since Minecon. So, let's not waste any more time and get right into the snapshot. A new mob has been added in this snapshot, the axolotl. These mobs are ridiculously cute, and they don't spawn naturally in the game yet, but you can still spawn them using mob eggs in the creative inventory. These mobs love tropical fish and tropical fish buckets, and they can be used to mate axolotls or make them follow you around if you hold one underwater. You can also pick up axolotls in a bucket like the other fish in the game. And these mobs will need to be in water or rain all the time, because they will dry up and take damage if they are out of the water for more than 5 minutes. Also, axolotls will kill any other fish that are around it, which is pretty destructive but a cool mechanic nonetheless. And finally, these mobs come in 4 common varieties and 1 rare variety, which you can see on the screen now. And a new property has been added to bundles and shulker boxes in this snapshot, as now if they are destroyed, they will drop their contents rather than their contents being destroyed with the box or bundle. This snapshot saw the release of a brand new, extremely helpful game rule, player sleeping percentage. This game rule allows players to set how many players must be required to skip the night. Setting the value to 1% will tell the game that only 1 player is sufficient to skip the night, and setting the value to 100% prevents skipping nights entirely. Also, a new item tag has been created called axolotl_tempt_items, which is used to tell the game what items can lure an axolotl toward you. By default, the only 2 items are tropical fish and bucket of tropical fish. However, you can manually add any item you'd like. And if you'd like to learn how to do this, be sure to stay tuned for our upcoming data pack series, which will teach you this and many other cool features of Minecraft that you can customize. And be sure to subscribe to the channel for server plugin tutorials, mod reviews, and these snapshot coverage videos. The new skulk sensors have also had some changes. Eating start will now no longer send out vibrations, so now when a player begins to eat, there will be no vibrations sent to the nearby skulk sensors. And since wool is an occlusion block for vibrations reaching skulk sensors, Mojang made it so that wool blocks that are walked on or thrown on the ground will now no longer cause vibrations. And finally, there were a few bugs in the previous snapshots with candles being duplicated when put on a cake. However, this bug should be fixed in this snapshot. And those are all of the changes for 20W51A. This will be the last snapshot of the year according to many Mojang devs. However, next year we are going to see some huge changes, including cave generation, the warden, a bunch of new blocks, etc. So make sure that you stick around on this channel to see those when they come out. If you'd like to create a free server to experiment with these adorable axolotls with your friends, head over to Server.pro or click the link in the description. Thank you for watching. I'm The Terrain. Peace out.